Yes, sir. We back again. Out here getting everything cleaned up, sparking it up, cleaning up some of this grease stuff, and then we're gonna get it cracking again. It's on. It's Sunday. We're gonna chill out, watch some football, maybe even win some money. Let's go. All right, y'all. Welcome back. We back again. And today, basically what I'm doing is I'm chilling out, watching NFL, and it's really a situation where I got a lot of meat in my freezer that I need to make room for new meat. So we're just gonna have a barbecue like we always do. You know what I'm saying? It's going down. So here's what we got going on today. So first of all, I got this one pork steak. It was a good price on it, so I snatched it up. I got some smoked ham hocks right there because I'm gonna make some black-eyed peas. And so I'm gonna boil those ham hocks and put those in my black-eyed peas. And then I got these steak kebabs I found dirt cheap. So we're gonna throw them out there, let them chill on the grill. And then I got these crazy thick pork chops. We're putting them out there. And then I got a duck. Now I've cooked duck many times, but I've never smoked it. It's getting smoked today. And then I got some turkey thighs back there. And then we're gonna make these fresh green beans that we found. Probably cut some potatoes and put in them. So that's the way it's going down today. I'm about to get this duck cleaned up, get all my meat prepared, seasoned and everything, and hurry up and get it out on this grill. Let's go. So I got my duck all trimmed up and cleaned up. So what I'm gonna do to season it, I'm gonna hit it with some seasoned salt. That. Got my black pepper. Just like that. Got my onion powder. And I got my garlic powder. Then we got this rotisserie chicken seasoning. This is a duck, and we putting rotisserie chicken seasoning on it. It's all good. Sprinkle that. Now, before I hit the other side, I hit it with my cooking spray. Keep everything sticking to it. Then I'll flip it over and do the same thing. And I'm gonna season all my meat just like that and then get it out there so we can get it smoking. So I got everything out there on the grill now, but before I go out there and look at it, I'm gonna go ahead and get my hocks boiling. You know what I'm saying? For my black-eyed peas. Hottest water I can get out of my faucet. Get my hocks boiling. Boiling by itself for quite some time before we ever think about adding any of the black-eyed peas to the pot. So boil these hocks. all body lonely. Get them nice and hot. Get them tender that way. So what I'll do is put some of this broth base in here, this chicken flavored broth base in here. Get that going. That's enough. And I will put a little black pepper in here with it. Shake it. A couple tablespoons. That black pepper in there. Let that go, do its thing. So let's go look at that meat outside. Yeah, we definitely got some heat out here now. It's about 400 degrees. I'm gonna close my spout a little bit. But I just got it out here, so let's see what just so you can see. See, I got my kebabs, I got my pork chops, and then I got my duck. And what I did was I just split the duck like down like the middle, but I didn't cut it in half. I just spread it open, so all that smoke can go all up in it. And then see, I got my neck back there, so we good to go. Let's close this lid. So we got a nice smoke going on out here, but there's one thing I forgot. Let's see, we about 375 now. That's good. But one thing I forgot to say was you see I got the steak kebabs, my neck, pork chops, and my duck. But them turkey thighs, once they was thawed out and I busted that pack, they had to go in the trash. And then I had that one pork steak, same thing. So like I said, I was cleaning out my freezer and making room for new meat. But if you gotta ever second guess the way some meat is looking, toss it. And that's what I did. So they out the game. Pork steak out the game, turkey thighs out the game. So it's the same thing here. I got my duck giblets in this pot here. I got the chicken broth base in here and some black pepper. Fill this pot up maybe about halfway. And probably not halfway. Halfway is a lot for now, but I'll add some more water later after I start cleaning up my green beans and dropping them in here. But in the meantime, I'm gonna boil my giblets so they can start cooking. Get some tenderness to them too. Sunset is crazy. We wanna look and see what we got going on. We about 275. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's looking good in here. Love what I see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get everything flipped up here, flip everything over, and let it keep rocking. We probably about an hour and a half in, something like that. Let's get everything flipped over, let it keep rocking. All right, so we got everything flipped over. Like I said, it's looking good. We got these nice grill marks in our pork chop. And I even flipped my neck. Got my duck flipped over. Now, shut the lid, let it keep on rocking. So in the meantime, me and my wife, we spent some quality time together and we cleaned all these green beans. It was a nice moment. Now, we got the green beans rocking. Now I'm gonna calm them down. I'm gonna turn the fire down on them and let them just chill. And then we got our hots going crazy in here. They've been doing that for probably about 2 hours now. And so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my black eyed peas in here. And I'm gonna drop that down to halfway between low and medium. And then just let them chill, simmer like that. What we doing? Everything is on a chill simmer mode. Yeah. That's how we doing it. We're gonna go out here and we're gonna check on that meat again now. Yep, so one more wood split in here. Go along for a ride on this cook right here. One more in there. And let's see what we got in here. Yeah. Everything looking real good. I'm about to flip all of this real quick, and then we're gonna smoke for probably about one more hour, maybe hour and a half, and then we be good to go. So after I got everything flipped, it's looking good, but in my opinion, I think I want to take my kebabs off. So I'm gonna go in here and get my tray, and I'm gonna take these kebabs off. So my kebabs are pretty, they're done. I had to take them off, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to wait. I want to taste a piece of this, so let me get to that. I had to take me a little piece of this kebab. Just a steak, real quick. It's good. That's how we get down. It's the one thing about getting smoke on is that it get dark on you out here. But things is looking good out here. We ain't mad at all. Matter of fact, things is looking super good. Goodness gracious. It's cooking really good out here. I ain't mad. Let's get back in the crib. Gotta do a flip real quick. Flip my neck. Flip chop. Ooh-wee. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. Pork chop flip. Real quick. And that duck, we're gonna leave it right there just like it is. Matter of fact, I'm gonna spin it though. I'm gonna spin it. Now, we got the legs facing the fire and the thighs facing the fire. I'm just gonna try to get that crispied up. But things is looking good out here. Loving how it's looking. Oh yeah. Oh man. Wow. Everything is completely beautiful in here. Go ahead in here and get this tray and pull this stuff off and bring it back in the crib so we can get ready to eat. is what you end up right here. You got that big fat pork chop, crazy thick, with them black eyed peas, with the ham hocks running all through them. You got that steak shish kebab. I got my duck neck and green beans. And then my wife's plate right here, she got that duck leg right there. Oh yeah, I got that duck wing. She got the duck leg. She got a big fat pork chop, steak shish kebab. She got them black eyed peas with the ham hocks running all through them, the green beans. It's on like that. I appreciate everybody watching. Until we meet again, peace.